Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you love our channel, remember help us, support us by subscribe, like and share our YouTube to other people. Thank you. Okay, so question 32 is about a xylem vessel. So what is xylem vessel? So longitudinal section of the plant stem. Okay, so look at this is xylem vessel. So try to link it up. What was this stuff? Do you remember what is this thing? Okay, so first of all you have to link it up. It is a little bit hard to get different shape outside the xylem, high resolution photo. What are they? Yeah, they are nicknames. Okay. So after remembering it is nicknames, and then you can forget about this graph. Okay, and you can really literally delete it. Yeah, nothing to show you. So and then it's the term to remember. No, it's a nickname. Remember xylem here, xylem cell wall, but xylem inside is a hollow. Sometimes water will flow through, so there will be a big atmospheric pressure from outside, and then it can't withstand it. It will collapse, but so it needs some island, like a different shape, surrounding it to support it. It need to support it to withstand what the high atmospheric pressure. If no such a thing, the whole xylem should collapse. Okay. So which one is the answer? Yes, the answer is C. So it is withstand the high pressure outside to keep the low pressure inside, right? If not, then it can't be low pressure inside. So the C is the correct answer. The other thing is about the other property, okay, not related to the, okay? You got it? Yes, of course, you got it. Okay, so you guys are terrific. See you for next question. Bye.